What's happening, y'all? What's happening, fam? Hey, man, it's that dude, Hood Boy, back up in this thing once again. Hey, man, y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, do your boy right. Hey, man, it ain't getting no better for the Slime King, aka Young Thugger. As many of you may or may not know, Young Thug and 28 other of his YSL associates were picked up on the RICO charge. I mean, the information that keeps coming in. That Young Thug in 2014 rented a vehicle in his name that was used in a murder of a guy. Lucci up in there snitching. He making reports out, talking about he's scared for his life. You know what I'm saying? Young Slime got them boys up in there. Them Young Thundercats got them wolves up in the Fulton County Prison with Lucci, and he just can't take no more than got stabbed and got cut in the head. So he like, man, it's whatever, man. I'm trying to survive, self-preservation. I gotta get up out of here by any means necessary. That's why I be telling y'all, man, y'all don't need rap song acting super tough. But when you get up in the jail cell, now your tail between your legs, you curled up. You in the corner. Man, come on, man. Be a lesson to you young guys, man. This is the only thing it's gonna lead to. In jail, fighting for your life, but yet some of y'all just dumb anyway. So y'all gonna enjoy going in and out of jail all your life. Oh man, ain't gonna do, man, the dudes up there, man. You stupid as anything, man. Life passing you by, you up in the jail cell, playing domino, watching TV, eating ramen noodles and commissary, man. Come on, man. If you enjoy something like that, man, maybe you belong there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it ain't looking good for Thugger. It ain't looking good for Gunna either. They steady bringing charges, steady bringing up stuff. And if it's the feds, best believe they ain't showing all their cards right now. They just giving you some of it. Like they did the O-Block guys. They were like, oh man, we're gonna make bond up. We're gonna bring something else up. And then we're gonna bring something else up to make sure you don't get out. Look at Casanova 2 times. Same thing. I'll put a bond up. Got you on this phone call talking about shooting a Crip nigga down in Miami. So, man, look, y'all, it don't look good for Thugger, but he was denied bond, and that's the clip I'm about to show y'all, man. Y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Salute the channel, man. This Hood, I'm out.
All right, great. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Jeffrey Williams. My name is Judge Rashida Oliver. You are here on a bench, what we call our bench warrant calendar for Fulton County Superior Court. Be aware that on this calendar, you are here because you have been indicted under 22 SC 182273 for conspiracy to violate the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organization Act and participation in criminal street gang activity. I brought you forward so that you can be put on notice that for the felony charges that you received, Honorable Judge Earl Glanville, at the next available calendar that will be presented in courtroom, silent and not incriminate yourself while you are there and anywhere else. Anything that you say can be used against you. It is my understanding that you are being represented by Attorney Ryan Steele, and the District Attorney's Office, Don Geary, are also on. So I wanted to make sure that you were fully aware of that. ADA Geary, is there anything else that you would need to add? And then I will hear from Attorney Brian Steele.
Judge, respectfully, I think you've already stated that there's not a bond issue. There's not really a first appearance other than you're verifying his counsel, which would handle the first appearance issue. One thing I want to put on the record, Judge, and thank you for giving me the opportunity, is at an appropriate time, we're going to file an objection or notice of objection to Attorney Steele. While he's a brother attorney, he has multiple people on the indictment, and we feel that a conflict would exist, and we just want the record clear on that. At the appropriate time, we'll move forward with that.
All right, anything, Attorney Steele?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Mr. Williams. Your Honor, I do represent Mr. Williams. I've entered, or should be entered, an appearance as counsel. My understanding from Uniform Superior Court Rule 26.1H, as in Hillary, that at the first appearance, this honorable court shall consider bond if the offense is not one that is bondable only by a Superior Court judge. I heard what you said as well, but the offense here is Mr. Williams is only indicted on count 56 and count 1, which is a criminal street gang activity and a conspiracy to commit racketeering. And both of those, I believe, are within your breast to set bond, and I would like bond to be heard by your honorable court. As far as conflict, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead. Thank you. And certainly,
As far as
go ahead, Attorney Steele. I want to make sure I hear you out.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you. And as far as the conflict, Mr. Geary, as well as District Attorney Willis have explained that to me, and I believe that if they file the right motion, a hearing will be held. And under the law, this is not an actual conflict of interest. It is a potential conflict of interest which can be waived, and I believe that will happen.
All right, thank you. Attorney Steele, I certainly understand, and if I were sitting solely as a magistrate, I believe you would be correct with the stating of the law itself. But as I am sitting as Superior Court, Fulton County delegated judge, there is specific delegation order for which I am operating under that indicates that the authority to set bail is simply not delegated for any case, regardless of the charges involved, that has been indicted and assigned to the docket of the Superior Court judge. And that is the order in which I am following. And so because I am doing so, I'm not at liberty to do a bond unless I have some additional authority to do so. And at this time, I do not. So unfortunately, you will have to submit your motion for a bond directly to the Superior Court judge that is handling this case, which is Judge Earl Glanville. So
I will do it, Your Honor.
right, certainly. So the order of the court on today is that he's been put on notice. He's not gotten a first appearance in that particular situation because he is indicted. He is not subject just to a warrant, and it was not a warrantless arrest. So that is where we stand at this time. Mr. Williams, I'm sure your attorney will reach out to you and give you further indication of what needs to happen in your case. All right.